Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So today in this video we'll talk about the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So if you have a Galaxy S23 Ultra, so yes, you're eligible for the One UI 8.5 update, as the Galaxy S23 series is in the device list of the One UI 8.5 update. Also, it got a beta update in the month of late December. So the One UI 8.5 update will come along with the Android 16 update. And if you found the One UI 8 update boring, so this time around this is not boring at all, as the One UI 8.5 update will bring in a lot of UI changes with some new AI features as well. First up, the control panel. The control panel will be more customizable this time around with the One UI 8.5 update. Also, you will get to see a pill-like menu option in multiple apps as the UI will be changed. For example, this is how the clock application will look like in the One UI 8.5 update. As you guys can see, there is a lot of difference, and this is how the calculator app will look like. There are multiple other apps as well that will be changed with the One UI 8.5 UI. Mostly you will get to see this pill-like option in multiple apps. It is quite similar to iOS, but it is really looking good here as well. If you talk about the release date of the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S23 series, so the One UI 8.5 update is now officially released with the Galaxy S26 series. Now it will be first of all released for the Galaxy S25 series by the end of March or in the month of April, and after that it will be released for the Galaxy S24, and then you can get this update on the Galaxy S23 series. So most probably, according to the predictions, in the month of April or May, you will get to see this update on your Galaxy S23 Ultra. So in the meantime, if you have the beta update, so you can enjoy the features of the One UI 8.5 update, or you will have to wait for the official update, as the One UI 8.5 beta update is not available in all the regions. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about this quick information of the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.